So from here, I'm just going to leave those two on there in case I want them. I'm going to put my finger here and just imagine a circle right here. You can draw your little moon on a paper if you need to, but I just bend these two so that they crisscross in the top center. You can just shape them. You know, imagine them being kind of the inside curves of your crescent. So like that. So now we'll make like an omega shape. Okay, we're going to take these right about where I want the tips of the crescent. We don't have to measure anything. About there. Not quite top center, but just off center, so that the tips kind of looking at each other. I'll hold it real steady with my fine plier, and I'll just bend this out to the side, just like that. And I'll do the same with this one. I'll get it, you know, about the same. Put my fine plier right there, hold real tight. Whoop. And just take a backwards bend on it. So you kind of got like this going on. And there's a couple of ways that you can now set this up for a crescent. You know, we can do a sideways crescent like we're going to do here and set the bail up top. You could also, though, bring these wires evenly to here and set the bail up top here and have your crescent going this way. So just throwing that out there at you guys. So maybe if we have time, I'll do one of each. So there I go. I'm going to give it a little bit of a pinch here, but not too much. I'll hold that. And I'm just going to make a quarter bend with this top one, just like that, just like we did the other crescent in your video. I'll squeeze this one closed a little bit. I don't close them all the way in case you don't want a bail. You just don't do a bail at all and you put a jump ring right there. Or a jump ring right here, or both. Just throwing that out there. So this one, I'm going to curve and I'm going to just imagine a crescent. I'm going to come to the inside, right? So I'll come above this other wire here. And I'm just going to curve it the way I want it. As big or as small as I might want it. You can just use your fingers. I don't do anything special. And I just work it until it's shaped the way I want it. And this is the outside frame. So right about here, about a quarter, that's maybe a half an inch, quarter of an inch. I like it more to the front. Depends on where you want it. I'm going to flip this wire up and then flip this other one up to match it. So once it's shaped the way you want it, you get your plier. I don't even mark them. I just turn it up. Right about there. That's pretty good shape. Then I'll put my plier right here, right next to it. Hold tight and just push right here, right next to your plier. And that's a nice shape.